Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Discord mobile tutorial on how to set server rules. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is select on the server that you want to go ahead and set the rules for. Go into your server section by clicking on this little arrow right here. And then from here, you can do a couple of different things, but you want to go into the settings for this. And then from here, as you see, you can do a couple of different things, but then you can create a channel, create, category, and then you can call it rules. And then you can set up your rules channel. You can just, what I did for mine is if I go into my Discord and then I click on the rules, I just made a channel and then I put this stuff in it so that way people would know, you know what I mean, and not to do any of these things. And also I made sure not to give everybody permissions to talk in the channel, and then one of my admins said sup anyway. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you.